Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, this is Danny coming at you from East Texas. This is my hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025 update. It's been a couple weeks. Wanted to show y'all where I stand. First, let me show you my string trellis. So you can see I've got all of my posts in place, airplane cables run, and all of my tomatoes strung up. Pretty happy with this. I am having some issues with my tomato clips this year. New string, new clips. So don't know, but I'm making it happen. So quick look at the Giant Belgiums for my hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025 entry. Notice the leaves. So this is him here. These leaves are completely different than any other of my plants. You notice they kind of stand out. They look different, but I'll take you in for a little bit closer look. You can see some tomatoes right there. We are looking good. It is happening. But wanted to show y'all real quick too how I'm working this string trellis. So this is pretty easy right here. You just simply take your tomato clip, you put the string right here in this slot, and it kind of grabs onto the string and holds it, or at least in theory it does. Not working quite as well this year as it did last year, but you'll clip it onto the string and then you'll clip it right below a branch on your tomato. And then when you let go, the clip holds the string. It's caught by the little branch on your tomato stem and it will hold your tomato in place. The strings help give it a little bit of wiggle room so that they can bend and not break in the wind, which we've got a lot of wind. It's been windy here in East Texas for weeks. All right, so that is my hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025 update. Wanted to let y'all see how everything is growing in my garden. Y'all, everything is growing so fast. I just pruned 2 weeks ago and I'm in desperate need of pruning again. I have tomato flowers everywhere. I have tomatoes, I have peppers. East Texas is hopping right now. So I hope you're joining in on the hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025. It's going to be fun. Get in on the action. Hey, everybody, as always, thanks for watching.